For the function y equals x squared, use the limiting chord process to estimate the gradient of the curve at the point 1, 1. We've got various points here. So 1, 1 we can see is that point we just marked on there. And the first thing we have is 3, 9, which is up here. So we're going to be approximating the gradient of the tangent of P initially by the gradient of this chord. And then what we can see is we're gradually moving the point Q towards P and seeing what happens to the gradient. So let's start off by working out the gradient between these 2 points. So that's going to be the difference in the y coordinates, so that's 9 take away 1, over the difference in the x coordinates, so 3 take away 1, and that's going to give us 4. So our first estimate is 4. Then we can improve that by moving to the next point where the y coordinate is 4 and the x coordinate is 2. So note this point's always 1, 1, so we're always going to have -1 and -1 here. And that gives us 3. So 3 is a better estimate of the gradient we want than 4 is. So moving to the next point, we can see the y coordinate is 2.25 and the x coordinate was 1.5, and that gives us 2.5. If we go for the next one, we can see the x coordinate is 1.21 and the x coordinate is 1.1, and that gives us 2.1. Then we've got 1.1025 and 1.05. All the time we can see these are getting closer to 1, 1. That gives me 2.05. Then we've got 1.0201, 0201, and 1.01. So that gives me 2.01. And then 1.001 is the x, and 1.002001 gives me 2.001. So the gradient appears to be heading towards 2, and that's what we're going to say the gradient is at the point P, the gradient of the tangent at P.